Description of Gabriela Arrieta Verdugo for Marlady Verdugo Belén. Gabriela is 10 years old, have two brothers, are Harry and Luis Enrique. She was born on August 26 of 2014, Cartagena City, Colombia. She has long, straight hair, brown eyes, full lips, and small nose. She likes to skate, swim, and pie. She is first grade at Alter Alternate School located in the Cartagena City. Thank you.